Hi loves, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time stopping by, hi, my name is Anastasia. If you are a returning subby, thank you so much for tuning back by for another video. So as you can tell from the title of this video is all about this look that I attained, and I do believe this is more of a beginner's makeup friendly tutorial. So if you are interested to know how I moved from this to this, then keep on watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. Also do like this video if you do enjoy it, and also comment down what would you like to see next, or what would you like to see on my channel.
Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute?
Hi loves, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, welcome, and let's jump into the tutorial. The first thing I was doing is my foundation, and for my foundation I am using the NARS Radiant Foundation in the shade New Caledonia, and I start by applying it with a brush, then I jump to apply it and make sure that it's well spread by using a beauty blender. After making sure that my foundation base is well, I am going to jump into concealing, and I am using the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Walnut, and I'm going to conceal under my eye, under my nose, under my lip, at the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on my forehead near my eyebrows. Make sure you blend your concealer before you jump into contour. So next I am contouring my face, and those are the spots that I'm going to contour: near my ear from the top, my forehead, and my jawline. Next I am going to bake, and the main reason I'm baking is because I am doing my eyeshadow after my whole base. But if I do my eyeshadow earlier before my base, I normally don't bake, and I'm using the Ben 9 banana baking powder. Since I'm baking, next step is going to be my eyeshadow, and I am using the soft Glam palette from ABH, and I was using Sienna and Rustic. Those are the two colors that I will be using. They are more of like a brown shade, and since this makeup is beginner friendly, I did not want to do shimmery or glitter or anything. Basically I just went for a brown shade. If you do not have a brown shade, one can also use browns that are found in their contour palettes. my eyeshadow, I am going to dust off the powder, and I am first spraying my setting spray on my brush and then dusting it off. This ensures not to have a powder finish or a powdery finish when I am done with my whole face. I'm later adding the Milani mineral powder. This just kind of brings back color onto my skin after the whole highlighting, contouring. So it kind of brings back that natural glow after the whole makeup. Next, I'm going to use my Warm Obsession Huda palette, and I'm going to use that color to highlight, and I'm highlighting on my cupid's bow, my nose, the bridge of my nose, without forgetting the area that is around my cheekbone. I'm also going to highlight that. Sometimes I also highlight my forehead. I have a big forehead, but I still highlight it. I don't know why. Then I'm going to jump into my lips, and I am using a brown liner to line my lips. And since it's again a beginner tutorial, you can either go for a nude or you can keep it glossy. So I decided to put it glossy, and I just went in with my lip gloss, and that was the finished look. I did not forget to set my face by using my setting spray. When you use setting spray, it makes sure that all the makeup incorporates together and make you look beautiful. So please never forget to use a setting spray.